Hi everybody, my name is Dheeraj. Hope you are doing amazing. I have just installed the new DaVinci Resolve 18.5 beta, and this is the first time we are going to be using this thing because I am going to be migrating from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve because everybody is doing it, and there are a ton of new features that came on DaVinci Resolve, which I'm super excited. So I have a decade of experience editing videos with different editors from Final Cut to Premiere and now to DaVinci. So we are going to be learning how you are going to be doing everything as fast and efficient as possible. We are going to be learning in the new series. This is the beginner series, this is the first part, and there are going to be coming more parts. But yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's jump directly to the program. I have seen that there are a couple of things. There's media, there is cut, there is edit, there is fusion. We are not going to be getting into many of the things, especially with fusion. Fusion is like After Effects. I don't have any idea, so we are going to be learning by doing it, but I don't want to waste any more of your time. So let's come to the media and let's select. I have downloaded this Flash official trailer which just came out. So we are going to be dragging it here. Hopefully it drags. Yeah, so now we have the trailer in the media. Let's go to the edit. Why not cut? Because when you have a lot of clips, then you can go to cut. We are going to be learning this thing later. So first thing what you want to check is you go to preferences. You want to check your memory and GPU, and I have a discrete GPU. I have a 3080, just installed it a couple of weeks ago. So as you can see, it just says selected RTX 3080 and GPU processing mode is auto. If it's not auto, come here, do auto. CUDA should be for NVIDIA users like me, and if you have a Radeon GPU, that means an AMD GPU, it's gonna be OpenGL for you. Both of these things are amazing. I heard OpenGL runs absolutely amazing. Okay, no worries. Anyways, it was tick for me before, so yeah, that's why it is. As you can see, the clip is running super smooth. And now, second thing which you want to do is come here and go to keyboard preferences, like go to the resolve, go keyboard customization, because this is the first thing that every editor needs to do, because without doing any kind of keyboard shortcuts you cannot be fast. Three keys that should be with your hand: edit key or cut key or split key, whatever a program says. That means splitting a clip from between. So splitting a clip from between is the main key, because this is what gonna help you with doing that. Second main key is ripple. So ripple is either if you gonna delete a clip and both of these sides are gonna merge, it's called ripple. But we're gonna do it with the advanced features, which are ripple delete from beginning or from the end. So we're gonna find all of these keys in the real time. We are in the edit, I guess, right? So what we use for edit? Copy, cut is different. I think cut kind of cuts a clip, right? And why we cannot see? Okay, ripple cut I think is the same thing. Ripple delete, which we're talking about, it's called shift backspace, and then there is delete key. So we're gonna check it. And okay, swap clips to left. I think I heard it is amazing, right? So we're gonna assign it with 1 and 2. Why? Because it is on our left side. You should not be moving your left hand while you are editing. Okay, nice. So we have got 2 keys here, but apparently I was not able to find any kind of split key. Give me a second. Yo, split clip. Okay, now we have found it. We're gonna do it. I like to do with the X because somehow I am trained with X with my hand. People like to do with S. If you are good to do with X, and do X, but if you want to learn, I suggest you go with S, because S is super fast to do. So yeah, that's good, right? And yeah, there goes one thing, right? Start to play here. I think it is Q. We're gonna assign it, right? Oh yeah, ripple here, and then we're gonna ripple to W. Dynamic trim mode, assign dynamic trim mode. Okay, so we're gonna delete it, right? Now let's save it. This is all we're gonna do test. So this is what we are going to be doing right now. and let's close it. Okay, so if I press X, 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 so now we have split it. So you want this part, you don't want this part, you want this part, and okay, this is the first shortcut. Let's see if our other shortcut works. If we're gonna do Q, boom, you see this, right? You don't want this part, right? You come here, you're gonna press Q, boom, done. If you're gonna come here and you don't want part after it, you're gonna press W, boom, done. So fast. This is fast to edit, right? I want this part, right? And I want this part to this part, right? So we're gonna do Q here, and then we're gonna come here and we're gonna do W here. Boom, our whole clip has been edited. And now we're gonna test other clips which are 1 and 2. So if I press 1, my clip goes to the left side, and if I press 1 again, it goes to left side again. If I press 2, it goes to the right side, and press 2. So these are 5. We have learned 5 keyboard shortcuts. Now just to complete everything, you can literally just go to the export and you can render the whole video, but I'm not going to be doing it. And yeah, it is the if you can go to export and you can export this whole video. This is it for the part 1. So now you have learned how you're gonna set up your program, how you're gonna check the preferences if the GPU is working or not, and finally you're going to be seeing how you're gonna assign your keyboard shortcuts to edit as fast as possible. So yeah, for right now, hope you're doing amazing and hope you're gonna learn a lot. In the next part, we're gonna learn how to do the cut. We're gonna do some text with like the transcription and how you're gonna edit super fast. And then we're gonna finally complete it with color grading and music. And then we're gonna do a little bit of fusion. So yeah, but right now, if you are beginning, come here with the clips, learn how fast you're going to assign the clips as fast as possible. And you can of course do multi-timeline. If you go to on top, on bottom, you can have a couple of videos here. You can do all of these things, right? So you can see, like, come here, drag this, look, boom, one clip, boom, second clip, then we're gonna have this clip, then we're gonna have another clip, right? So we can do a lot of things. So yeah, for right now, this is for this part, and I'm gonna see you amazing people in the next one with a lot more things. Okay, bye bye.